No, she will definitely not go to China. In as much as she is already a person of interest as far as China is concerned, because she's accused of a serious crime in the Philippines in relation to illegal gambling. We are confident that she's trying to get into the Golden Triangle. Because the family, the Wu family, has business interests, gambling interests in Cambodia. The problem is so huge. Hindi lang po siya Pilipinas, transnational. So, may na-raid dito saan nga ito? Uzumi Building sa may Parañaque. So, na-raid po yun. May na-raid dito sa may Centurion Tower, nitong nakaraang mga araw lamang. May na-raid sa Century Park Tower sa Malate a few weeks back. May na-raid sa Tribes sa CDC a few weeks back.